Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video today we're going to see how to apply for student dorms or the Studentenwerk dorms that is provided by university and are pretty cheap. So we'll see how to navigate, and we will see how to apply for the application in the waiting list as well. So the first thing you want to do is go to google.com, of course. So we go to Google, and let's say you want to find a house in let's say Passau, for instance, or maybe Berlin or Braunschweig, right? So first of all, you type Studentenwerk, and then you type Braunschweig or whatever your city is, Berlin, Frankfurt, whatever. Then the first thing you will see is the first page, or you can also open the housing in Braunschweig. So this is how you will see a page. You click here, right? You can see dining, housing, financing, counseling, international students, and everything. They mostly deal with these kind of things. So actually we're interested in housing, so we click that. And next what we're going to do is you can see online application here. You can see dormitories, which kind of dormitories they have available, right? You can see the list, and you can navigate through each of them and select the housing according to your priority or your suitability, right? Then we go to online application, and you can see all the information that you will have to confirm for the waiting list. Every 14 days they will email you, right? And once you're offered a tenancy, your agreement should be done in 2 days. You have to pay and get the agreement done. If not, they will give the preference to the next person in the waiting list. Okay, I have taken notes. I will submit. Right now, this is the portal. You can directly go to the portal if you wish to do so. Normally, you click for application, and then you choose which location, right? You can see it's for Klostel, Hildesheim, Lüneburg, Wolfsburg, and yeah. So let's say we select Braunschweig, and now it says which kind of apartment you're interested in. So what I do is I normally translate this. But anyways, let's say I'm interested in an apartment including kitchen and bathroom, and maybe shared kitchen, or if you are just interested in single room 2% flat and blah blah blah, you can alternatively select all of these, doesn't really matter. And then it asks for preference. You can select anything. You can navigate through the specific dorms as well. So all apartments in Braunschweig, and all single room, and then you select the university, let's say Technical University of Braunschweig, and then it asks for which semester you're interested in. And if you are let's say going for winter, I would select 1st October, and maximum, let's say 300 or maybe 500, whatever your maximum budget is. You write that, and how much for how much you want this contract, let's say 48 months for the whole of our masters, right? Then you enter the personal data, first name, last name, and everything, just like filling a normal form. Then they ask about their faculty, so whatever your faculty is, computer science, and then you choose we don't have any scholarship, so we leave that. And if you have car available, you put the details as well. Then current address, it could be your personal address, right? So you can put that, and then it requires some documents, certificate or enrollment. It says it can be submitted later, passport photo and other documents if desired by the university. For instance, if you have a child or a spouse, they ask certain documents which you can see on the website as well. Right, so I don't really fill this, but you have to fill this one, number of people moving in. For say if you're one, then you type one. If you're more than one, then you type that. Furnished desired, yes, of course we need furnished. As a new student, you don't want to be hassling around to find furniture, right? Then your student, language and program, it doesn't really matter but I would suggest if you put it and hints nothing, then you just submit and that's it. After this you will receive an email that will look like that you have submitted your application. I'll try to find it and I'll show you. So if you get an email, you get that will confirm of your receipt, then you can revise your application if you have some mistakes, and or you can send confirmation. Right, there is some my data, I'm not going to show it, but this is how you basically do it. So let's say we're interested in other um, city as well. You can go for Passau and Studentenwerk Munich. So some cities, because they have people applying too much, so what they do is they also ask for some time. They ask for um, the letter of admission as well, or enrollment in some cases, right? So you have to be aware of that as well. But most of the universities, they don't require you to submit an enrollment letter, or you could say the admission letter. So yeah, some universities even require you to show the payment of the semester fee, so it can get complicated as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you gained something from it, and I'll see you in the next one.